If Rust keeps crashing on your PC through Steam, don't worry. Here are 5 simple steps to help you fix it. Let's get started. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. 1. Open Device Manager. 2. Find your GPU under Display Adapters. 3. Right-click it and select Update Driver. 4. You can also go to the NVIDIA or AMD website and download the latest driver manually. Step 2. Verify game file integrity. 1. Open Steam and go to your library. 2. Right-click on Rust and select Properties. 3. Click the Local Files tab. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. 5. Steam will scan and fix any missing or damaged files. Step 3. Close background applications. 1. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. 2. Go to the Processes tab. 3. Look for apps using a lot of memory or CPU. 4. Right-click and choose End Task on the ones you don't need while gaming. Step 4. Switch to High Performance Power Plan 1. Press Win plus S and type Power and Sleep Settings. 2. Click on Additional Power Settings. 3. Select High Performance, or create a new High Performance plan. 4. Restart your PC after applying the changes. Step 5. Run Steam as Administrator 1. Completely close Steam. 2. Right-click on the Steam shortcut. 3. Go to Properties. Click the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as an administrator. 6. Click Apply, then launch Steam again.